On November 17, 2021, Minister of Finance Ken Ofori-Atta announced the introduction of a 1.75% tax on all electronic financial transactions in the 2022 budget. The introduction of the tax, according to Ken Ofori-Atta, was part of strategies to widen the country's tax net, enhance financial inclusion, and protect the vulnerable. The levy, which is expected to raise approximately 6,963 million Ghana cedis in 2022, is a key mechanism that the government of Ghana will use to help ensure that more Ghanaians and the public contribute their fair share towards the development of the country. However, the decision to slap the 1.75% tax on all electronic transactions has been met with fierce opposition from a number of Ghanaians. For many, this is a deviation from government's plan of digitizing the economy and an action that would only worsen the plight of Ghanaians. Speaking at a press conference on Wednesday, January 19, 2022, Minister of Finance Ken Ofori-Atta revealed that government officials will, from Thursday, January 20, 2022, begin a nationwide public sensitization on the need for the introduction of the controversial e-levy.
I emphasize that e-levy will not impact cumulative transfers of Ghana cedis 100 per day made by the same person, transfers between accounts owned by the same person, transfer for the payment of taxes, fees, and charges on the Ghana.Gov't platform, electronic clearing of checks, specified merchant payments, i.e. payments to commercial establishment registered with GRA for income tax and VAT purposes, and transfers between principal, master agent, and agent's account. Let me warn though that if there's a deliberateness and realization that certain migrations are being done to avoid paying of e-levy, this is again the spirit of burden sharing, and we shall invoke appropriate administrative measures during that period. Beginning tomorrow, a team comprising myself, colleague ministers, and other key members of Gov't will embark on a public engagement and sensitization program across the country planned by the Minister of Information. We intend to communicate clearly on the proposed mechanics of the e-levy, its potential benefits to the people of Ghana within the spirit of burden sharing, and that must guide us in our development efforts as we move Ghana beyond aid.
He also noted that government is convinced about the need for the e-levy and how it encapsulates the idea of burden sharing for Ghana's development.
We intend to use the money to create jobs and grow our private sector to employ more of our youth, accelerate the digitalization agenda to bring more convenience to Ghanaians, enhance the security of our digital platforms, aggressively expand our road infrastructure agenda, reduce our dependence on debt, and reduce the crowding out of the private sector to improve access to credit.